Devin, tell me who. Say my name, say my name. Say my name is around you. Baby, I love you. Say my name, say my name. Kinda shady, ain't calling me baby.
Alright, hey you guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So today I've got something new for y'all from Unice Hair, and it's right here. So this is their new Bye Bye Knots wig. You don't have to do any kind of customizing on your own, specifically bleaching the knots. They have already plucked the hairline, they've already cut off the lace for you. And the lace right here is 7x5, so you get a little bit more parting space. It's not a full frontal, but it's not as small as the closures. I'm gonna end up doing a middle part with this, but you can also do a side part if you choose. This is definitely beginner friendly, and also just wanna just have in your stash just to pop on and go, and you gonna look good no matter what. So yeah, I have mine in 24 inches. It's 180% density, I believe. Make sure you guys check the description box like always. Y'all know I put these specifics down there just in case I get them wrong. But yeah, I've already washed her. She about dry, y'all. This is how we are looking, you guys. I'm gonna try my best to make this video as easy as possible. We're going glueless. Y'all know I don't do any kind of glue or anything. I'm gonna try my best not to use even my hairspray just on the lace a bit. I may have to, because with closure units, you guys, I love closure units, but I may have to add like a tiny bit right here and right here, just so the wig does not slide back. This particular unit does not come with any combs either, except for one right here in the nape area. So there are no combs on the sides or anything. All you have is an adjustable strap. So yeah, y'all, let's go ahead and get started. This really shouldn't take me no time to do, and I don't know, let's see what happens. Okay, y'all, I am loving the new packaging, this pink on pink that they have going. They sent me this little curling wand as well. I'm going to show you guys that at the end of the video, but here is a look at the wig up close. You guys don't see any of those knots. The lace has been pre-cut. They've added some baby hairs on there for you that have already been cut. Hairline is natural and pre-plucked as well. You've got an elastic band and some silicone around the cap, and this water wave texture is beautiful. It's ready for you to just pop on and go. It's gonna be super easy, y'all. So right here, I just added a little bit of foundation on my wig cap and a little bit on the lace. If you have the hairline for it, you could definitely do a side part with this. You can't go too deep because, like I said, it's a 7x5. For this particular unit, a side part just was not gonna look right on me because of my hairline. It just was not flowing. So I went on ahead and did a middle part. Right here, you guys, I'm just adding a little bit of hairspray to the hair, like the hairline, just to get that lace to just lay a little bit flatter. I did not apply it on my skin. I just really just put it at the roots. And then really quickly, I'm gonna add a little bit of my wax stick right at the part. I'm doing my best not to go crazy with this wax stick because I don't want it to weigh down the hair. And then just taking my little hot comb and running it through. This wig takes heat very easily, you guys. So I noticed right here that where my part was at, the lace just was not laying how I wanted to, and nothing bothers me more than to see lace sticking up. So I just sprayed a little dot of hairspray right on my finger, and then just took my blow dryer and blow dried it down for maybe like 5 or 10 seconds, you guys. Y'all, do y'all not see this? Did y'all not see just how easy that was? I did add a tiny bit, one little spray right here in the middle, and this is a spot you have to pay attention to. I see so many women, I know y'all are wearing a closure wig, and I know you want it to be just pop on go, and you can have all that. You can have the ease of it, but please just take a little bit of hairspray, put it on your finger right here, and wherever your part is, just pop it right there on your part. Blow dry it down for 15 seconds and it will make the world of a difference. No one should see your lace sticking up by your part, y'all. I'm just here to help. I'm not here to bash. Look at this hairline. Do y'all not see how natural that looks? Y'all, let's finish this look up. Oh, one other thing. I noticed this right when I opened the package. They must have did something with their hair. The hair is so soft. I don't know what kind of magic they work, but I am absolutely loving it. I am loving the volume she's given. I actually like the hair just like this, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to style it very easily. I'm gonna go ahead and lay my edges, and then I'm gonna go ahead and use this little brush to kind of add a little bit of curl in this. They did a great job on this frontal. It's not too thick, it's not too thin, and the bleach knots, so good. All right, you guys, so if you have not seen this type of blowout brush, this Revlon that I'm about to use, I'm going to show you right now just how to use it. You basically just want to create a little bit of tension, or actually a good amount of tension, and then I just go ahead and get it all the way to the bottom, and then I just roll the brush all the way up. Keep in mind this is hot. This blow dry brush does get hot. It's heated so that it can help form the curl, and I leave it on there like that for about 15 seconds and then slowly undo it. I've been adding flexi rods after I use this blowout brush, so I'm doing it here today, but you don't have to. If you don't have the time to flexi rod it, just go ahead and just do what I'm doing here. Add a little bit of tension to your section, leave it on there for about 15 seconds or so, whatever you feel, and then slowly undo it like in a twisting motion. And basically the effect that you get with this type of brush is more of a blowout vibe, so you're still going to get your volume. It's not going to be super flat hair. You guys will see exactly what I mean in just a minute. So I'm just going to repeat this throughout my whole entire head, and then I'm going to use some hairspray, and we're pretty much done with styling portion of this video. We'll take the curls down and see how everything came out. Let's go ahead and take my hair out and see how these curls came out. And yeah, pretty much just finish up this video. I look cute. Not with these rollers in, but makeup, everything. That little Revlon thing, y'all know I cannot use a curling iron to save my life. I can do many things when it comes to hair, but using a curling iron, I just cannot do for some reason. Y'all, look at these curls. Oh my goodness. Go ahead and comb them out. I really was not, I was not expecting my hair to turn out like this today. So I wanted to actually do this when the hair was straight and I just forgot, but I needed to put in some shorter pieces, just some face framing pieces. It already has a lot of volume, but I wanted to break up that length, just having one solid length. Little bit of powder in the middle. You don't even need to do like the whole concealer thing. Really just defining it a little bit more. And you guys can see that you can still get to your scalp. Got my little rat tail comb underneath there. This is completely glueless. Easy, easy, easy. And here is the final look. I hope you guys love this final look. I know I did. I really did not expect my hair, my look, everything to turn out like this. But here we are. Y'all, I'm just popping this in here because I tested the curling wand that they sent me, and I want to show you guys this hair straighten because I loved it. And I must say this curling wand did what it was supposed to do. It curled perfectly. I will probably be using this a lot. And then I just pulled my hair back. So I just wanted to show you guys just another little style that you can do with this particular unit. All right, you guys, so this is the final look for this Bye Bye Knots wig. Y'all, the curls came out way better than expected. The hair is so soft, it's so luscious. The density is so there. Y'all, this is an easy unit. Y'all see how quickly I put myself together? Like, I spent more time on my makeup and finding this top because my room is a mess than doing my hair today. They've already done the legwork for you. You can literally just put this on. You can lay your edges or not lay your edges, but you will be good to go. I'm telling y'all, the holidays are coming up. You can be ready at a moment's notice to attend holiday parties for those family members and friends who just want to stop by when no invite was extended, but here they are anyways for the holidays. You can be ready in no time. Anyways, you guys, I hope you guys had a wonderful Thanksgiving. I am so thankful for each one of you that continue to support me and support my channel. I will put everything that I used today down in the description box for you, the direct link to this unit as well. Pick it up. Let me know if y'all have any questions, comments, all that great stuff, and I will talk to y'all in my next video. Bye.
If somebody said, then tell me who.